Alright. Did you got to the second level? Who's the pro?
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, slow. You're almost there.
I got it.
Oh, see what I mean? It's hard. The third level, and it's really hard
Oh my
to get.
gosh, that level through that little bit right there.
Yeah, you just gotta move it like really slow.
Oh.
Slow, buddy, my friend. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, that's scary.
Alright, come on, Val. Alright, made it. And for the end, like, it gets really small, so you'll have to, like, look up really close. Because it gets like that small. Like, way small. Like, it gets, like, just the size of the blue dot.
I'll never be able to do it.
It's really hard. You just gotta go, like, really slow. What the heck was that? Ah! Stupid people. 4th of July. Are those fireworks? What is...
That is.
Watch. Look at the end. Alright, Val. Alright, so look at the end. You gotta make that. And level 4 is really hard. Slow. You gotta go, like, really slow. Slow.
Oh, no way.
Just go. Really slow.